You know the only thing better than new construction?
Yeah, I sure do, Scotty. It's new construction that's completely finished and move-in ready tomorrow.
Stay tuned because we got all this and a whole lot more on today's episode.
Scotty, welcome to Eagles Rest Estates. Gorgeous new community. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, this one is finally done. We're so excited to show you around this incredible neighborhood and in these unbelievable homes here. Now, we are out in Orillia, but we are just 15 minutes from the city of Barrie here. We've got Horseshoe Valley just on the other side of us that is absolutely filled with incredible amenities that we're going to talk about. But of course, 15 minutes in the city of Barrie, which means great commuter access. Whether you're heading out to Highway 11, out to Highway 400, it is just around the corner from us here. And then let's dig into that recreation for a moment. If you love trails, nature, you want to get out of the hustle and bustle of the city, you've got the incredible Simcoe County Forest that runs its way through this entire area. In addition to that, of course, we got Horseshoe Valley. We're talking skiing. We're talking about unbelievable snow tubing, snowboarding. Not to mention the summertime, they have Lake Horseshoe, their own restaurants, and a ton of events that happen in there. And then, of course, you've got golf courses for days out here, whether it's Settler's Ghost or some of the other incredible courses at your fingertips. It's all right here in Orillia. And then if all that recreation's got you exhausted, you've got the incredible Veta Spa. That is a 2-minute drive up the road from here. You can relax, unwind in one of the most spectacular spas you'll find in all of Ontario. How good of a location is this?
That's right, Scotty. The location is second to none for an outdoor enthusiast, but let's talk about what's behind us. This is an incredible 3,300 square foot home. That's not total square footage. That is just above grade and on the main level. It is truly fantastic. 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and an incredible window package. You're gonna love this one. Garage, nice oversized double garage with a 3rd bay in behind with incredible ceiling height as well. If you want a lift or you just want to store your stuff in the back bay, it is fantastic. Let's talk about this lot. It's a beautiful oversized lot. One thing I really like about this is the amount of grass you're gonna have. It's not like any other property in this subdivision that is stacked next to each other. You're gonna have tons of grass and it is a real nice feeling. Come on in and take another look.
Welcome inside. Now today we are featuring a family-friendly 2-story that packs a punch, and from the moment you walk through that beautiful double-door entry system, you are gonna get hit with the wow factor. And for me, it is just the sheer size and magnitude of this home. We talked about it being nearly 3,300 square feet from the main floor and upper alone. Now let me talk about some of the unique features you're gonna see. Again, when you walk in, you've got 11-foot ceiling heights that add to that wow factor. You've got a huge main floor office off to your left. And then the architectural flair starts. You've got to step up into your incredible dining room that overlooks the front yard, and then a step up into the further entry of this home that is generous in size and flows right into your great room. You're going to be hit right away by a ton of natural light because you've got an unbelievable window package that run from front to back and side to side of this home, and it's all anchored with some great features like 8-foot doorways and archways. You got engineered hardwood flooring right into the beautiful 2-story hardwood staircase and a ton of tile floor here as well, just to start. And we got a lot more to see. Let's go check it out.
That's right, just as Scotty was saying, the window package is gorgeous. Floor to ceiling windows, and it's really evident from the kitchen here. Really nice cabinetry, oversized island, which is fantastic. You have a really nice butler's pantry, tons of storage, and you have a sink as well. Now, if you're anything like the Knowles-Wolsey family, dinners are paramount, and you have a really nice dining room here as well.
Now when you finish preparing dinner in that incredible kitchen or enjoying dinner in that formal dining room right off the front of the home, you're gonna all unwind right here in the incredible great room that is again filled with that natural light, walls of glass on both sides, those incredible 10-foot ceilings. You got the beautiful rich hardwood staircase running from the 2nd level down to the lower level. You can just picture yourself and the family relaxing, unwinding here, movie night, the gas fireplace. This is the scene that you've been looking for, the type of home where you can relax and unwind together as a family, but it's also large enough for everyone to have their own space as well.
Right at the top of the stairs, you're gonna notice the primary bedroom through the double doors, lots of square footage in here, lots of natural light as well. You have a beautiful oversized closet with an additional closet just right across as well, right into your entry, into your 5-piece bathroom. It's really gorgeous.
And just Just down at the other end of the hall on this incredible 2-story home is the other primary suite. Yeah, you heard that right. Not one, but 2 primaries. Again, incredible amount of space, closet space, and a full ensuite in there as well. If it's not a second primary you need, you may have the ideal space for your overnight guests to sit back, relax, again, in their own private space here. But that's not all. We have 2 additional bedrooms up here. Again, both generous in size, a ton of storage, and then an additional bathroom to service those 2 bedrooms as well. Forget about kids arguing over which room is theirs, because everyone's going to be thrilled regardless of where they end up in this incredible home.
That's right, Scotty. Inside is just beautiful and it is ready to go. Outside is just a couple minutes away from being complete.
Absolutely. Now it's just getting the finishing touches on the exterior of these homes here, but let me tell you, the potential is unbelievable throughout the entire neighborhood. Such a consistent feel, a beautiful home after beautiful home, some incredible views, and again, all the nature we talked about and that you expect when you're living out in Oro. And this lot is going to be no exception. Tremendous amount of grass out here, and the backyard, you're going to have a ton of privacy when the retaining walls are finished up back there, not to mention all the space you're looking for the kids, for the pets, and for you and your friends to sit back and enjoy. This is the lifestyle you've been looking for. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Oro Medonte. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.